Hello everyone and welcome. Following complaints of an inaudible tutorial, that is my previous video on how to file KRA VAT returns, I have decided to redo the tutorial, but this time I will handle a section at a time. Let me begin with section A, basic info. This is the most straightforward of the sections in the VAT Return Excel format. So here you start by typing in your company KRA PIN, say P0410867330A. Then hit enter. Type of return, you select from the drop down list either original or amended. Original. You hit enter. Entity type, select from the drop down list head office or branch. Then the return period, say from the 1st of March 2024. Hit enter. Sorry, hit 01. Then you hit enter. Hit enter again to move to the next cell, to the 31st of March 2024. Then hit enter. Then you're done with section A. Now you can click on next to move to section number B.